Hi everyone, this is me Hassan and welcome to my channel Hassan Academy. So today we are going to discuss this question which came after the Neet exam. Okay, this is some student made different answer, so some confusion was there. Okay, so let me tell you that last year also they made one question where NT was 100% correct, there was nothing wrong, but many one made regarding that question some videos and confusion create. Okay, I am talking about axis RMJX regarding video. Regarding that question which was correct. Okay, but after this question I felt that some confusion is there, and I am going to take only two options because these two options only confusion, B and C, and I will discuss everything. I will keep in front of you everything and you can decide whether it is you are going to challenge this question or not. Okay, let me tell you from my side first. So first of all, this question I have seen before also somewhere. From last 1 hour I was trying to find out that question, but I didn't got. Okay, the thing is every day we are doing a lot of question. As a offline faculty, students keep bringing question, and at particular time we cannot recall that from which module or which particular book we have seen that question. Actually, in that question, few things was little bit different from this question. Okay, one thing was different. The one line only was different. In this initial line, they have given there is a compound P, this molecular formula. After they have given that is mono substituted benzene derivative. Okay, that they have removed in extra the question. If you can, if any one of you have question, definitely you have question. You can see that the question is start directly like that. There is nothing here mono derivative of benzene. Okay, so see here compound P, this molecular formula C8H8 oxygen. Okay, 2 into number of carbon plus 2 minus number of hydrogen divided by 2, you will get degree of unsaturation as 5. Okay, degree of unsaturation 5. Whenever degree of unsaturation more than 4 and carbon number is more than 6, you have to go for benzene. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, and since that original question where I seen that monosubstituted benzene is there, so definitely benzene, and here nothing they have written. So next you go for C11O CH3 acetophenone. Yes, same time you can go for benzaldehyde, and one methyl group is left, that you can put anywhere, ortho, para, meta, anywhere you can give. Okay, you have to, since it is competitive exam, you have to go through with option also. So option here it is CH3 was there. Actually option A was also same acetophenone, and option C and D was same. Okay, paramethyl benzaldehyde. So you can go for these two options. Okay, up to here nothing wrong, you can get two options and you cannot clarify what is your answer. After that you can see give red orange PPT with 2,4-DNP. Okay, 2,4-DNP test, that is for to confirm the carbonyl group, that can be ketone or aldehyde, and you can see both is giving positive test, so there is nothing wrong up to here. After that you have to see this line, it does not reduce failing reagent. Okay, here you have to be careful. So generally what happen, failing reagent who is not going to give? Yes, generally who is going to give failing reagent? Failing reagent test is given by aldehyde, not given by ketone. But in between these there is a but, and that you have to understand that if aromatic aldehyde we are talking about, even aromatic aldehyde does not give failing reagent. Okay, so this is one thing which is not clear. If they have not they just mentioned not reduce failing reagent, that means both is correct. Okay, up to here both is correct. So I am to show you one table here. It's from a standard module. You can see here that we are talking about failing test and aliphatic aldehyde giving, aromatic aldehyde not giving, again here ketone also not giving. So from here it is clear that both option you can go for, both B and C. Okay, up to here nothing confirmed. Okay, mostly when question was arranging they confuse in this only, and after that you see here. Okay, up to here both is correct, both B and C you can go for. After that you see on full stop is there, then on drastic oxidation, this is very important line. On drastic oxidation of with chromic acid, okay, P gives, P means they are talking about this one only, P gives an aromatic product. Okay, no doubt, if you do the drastic oxidation of this, you will going to get the benzoic acid. What about this? if it is benzaldehyde to convert to benzoic acid, we don't need drastic oxidation, we need mild oxidation. Okay, if we do the mild oxidation, then easily it is going to convert to benzoic acid. But if we want to do the drastic oxidation, then also we will get benzoic acid only. Okay, and since paramethyl is there, you know that very strong oxidation as an either it is chromic acid derivative or KMnO4, all are going to produce. If benzene attached carbon has at least one hydrogen, they are going to produce the carboxylic acid only. Okay, so 1,4-benzene carboxylic acid, that is I think phthalic acid or whatever name they are telling, common name. So this also give, and these both of them can give positive test for sodium bicarbonate. Okay, one thing you have to remember, once we react with sodium bicarbonate, from here HCO3 minus, that is taking one proton and they are going to produce the carbonic acid H2CO3. Okay, and this H2CO3 pK is around 6.38. so anything which is reactant is pK lesser than 6.3, they are going to show the positive test of white effervescence or sodium bicarbonate test. So both can show the sodium bicarbonate test. This effervescence can show by both. Okay, so now here all confusion is coming whether you will go for option B or option C, because option B and C, all the terminology both is showing positive, right? The only thing, this vigorous oxidation or on drastic oxidation, this is we are generally use for ketone, we are not going to use for aldehyde. For aldehyde, mild oxidizing agent is required. Mild is enough, but it is not mean that you will give strong and it is not going to produce the product. Okay, you can understand the confusion. Confusion is, if you do from here to here, if you want to convert, you have to do the strong oxidation, mild drastic oxidation. Okay, but what about this? If you do with this, then also you will get the same thing, no? And you both of them is going to show the sodium bicarbonate test. So confusion is coming. Okay, so you can go for both B and C. I know most of the, even my students, they are going for B. Some of them going for C also. So what can be the answer? Okay, if you want, you can claim for bonus mark. Or they can give both B and C as a correct answer. Okay, some of them was saying such a methyl group is there. In D option, what they have given here, they have given paramethyl benzaldehyde, and here they keep paramethyl benzoic acid. So they are saying, sir, maybe that methyl group is not going to convert, that is only going to convert in place of strong KMnO4 heat, hot KMnO4. There is nothing like that. On drastic oxidation with chromic acid also they can convert this methyl group. So if you use the concept that methyl group is not going to convert, then also one option was there, okay, where methyl group was as it is, but that is not the thing. Methyl group is going to convert, and this you are going to get. The only confusion is it does not reduce failing reagent. There they got confused and they may not think about this aromatic aldehyde. Okay, or when they if they want to defend, they will defend with this on drastic oxidation. On drastic oxidation, they will defend that is required only for ketone. For aldehyde or benzaldehyde, generally not required drastic oxidation, that they can define. Okay, but still things are not 100% clear. So if any teacher also watching this video, kindly you can write in my email or in comment section also. You just make it clear. I believe you can go for both answer and you can claim about it. Okay, let's see what happens. Because they have removed that first in initial portion, they removed that mono benzene derivative, that is they remove, and maybe I don't know why they remove. Maybe they was thinking question will be more lengthy, let's remove some portion. But before, due to that, this one is one of the option. If they not remove that particular term, then you cannot go for this is dibenzene derivative. Yes, this you cannot go. Anyway, both B and C can be your answer, and you can go for claim this one. Let's see, and let me know how many of you attempt C and how many of you attempt B. Okay, thank you, and do share with your friend. You can subscribe my channel. We can discuss a lot of things. Thank you.